All right, welcome to Unity Project 3. So we've completed a couple projects in Unity, and today we're going to begin a series with adding a number of elements to kind of polish up and round out your projects that we've worked on previously. So we're going to look at how to create menus, add buttons, add some music and mute music, and then add a mini map to display on the screen. So let's take a look at what you'll be learning with this project. Specifically, we're going to learn to create menus for player navigation, create buttons for those menus, manage interactions with buttons, and link to different scenes with buttons. We'll also be adding music, both background music and muting that music, and then adding the mini map. We'll also be finishing with displaying items collected as part of the user interface so that the player is aware of the items that they've collected previously. So let's go ahead and get started.